You have seen those viral AI baby dance videos everywhere. Babies bouncing, spinning, and hitting every beat perfectly. And the best part, you can create yours completely free, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let us get into it. Before we start, let me quickly explain what mimic motion actually means, because this is not just limited to AI baby dance videos. Mimic motion, also called motion control, is when an AI studies the movement from a reference video, the way a person walks, dances, waves, or even nods, and transfers that exact movement onto a completely different character image. So instead of animating from scratch, you simply show the AI what motion you want and it applies it to your character. That's it. You could use it for an AI baby dancing, a folktale character walking, a fantasy queen waving, or any character you want to bring to life. So to create your AI baby dance video, you need two things: your character image and your reference video. Your reference video is the video that has the dancing motion you want to copy. You can download one from TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, or even use one you recorded yourself. For this demo, I will use this AI baby I already generated, and I will show you exactly how I created it and where a little later in this tutorial. So to get started, go to your browser and search for 1.2.2 or One Video and open the site. Now, a quick background on 1.2.2. It is an open source AI video model developed by Alibaba. It has a specific feature called One Animate that is built specifically for character animation and motion transfer, meaning it studies the movement in your reference video and applies it to your character image. It is one of the very few tools that does this completely free. Once the site opens, sign up or sign in using your Google account. Then come down to the chat box and select the avatar icon. You will see two options. The first is character swap and the second is photo animate. I will show you both so you can decide which works best for you. Let me start with character swap. I'm going to upload my reference video and then upload my character image and hit generate. It generates at 0 credits. Now you will notice a notification that says, please ensure the character has a clear front-facing view, otherwise generation may fail. This simply means both your reference video and your character image should be clear and facing the camera. It also says, for optimal results, maintain consistent proportions for the person in your image and video. Now let me explain what proportions means, because this is exactly where most people go wrong. Proportion simply means the body size and shape of your character, things like height, build, and overall body frame. When one video transfers the motion, it is also reading the body size of the character in your reference video. So if your reference video has a fully grown adult dancing and your character image is a tiny baby, the AI will stretch or reshape your baby to match the adult body from the reference video, and the result will look off. For the best results, make sure the character in your reference video and your character image have a similar body size and shape. If your reference video has a baby dancing, use a baby character image. If it has a slim adult, use a slim character image. Matching proportions gives you a much cleaner and more natural result. So I will hit confirm and let it process. It takes a little while because it is free. Patience is part of the deal here. While it processes, let me open one in a new tab and show you the photo animate option. I will follow the same process, select the avatar icon, choose photo animate, upload the character image first and then the reference video and hit generate. Now let us check the character swap result. And here we go. It came out really well. Character swap gives you the exact motion from your reference video. I muted the sound to avoid any copyright claims. The downside with this option is that it retains the background from your reference video, and there may be some minor glitches. Hopefully they improve on this with future updates. Now for the Photo Animate result. This is amazing. Photo Animate maintains your original character size, proportions, and background, and simply applies the motion from your reference video onto your character. For me, Photo Animate is the better option because it keeps everything about your character intact. The only thing to note is that it works best with simple, clean motions. For complex, fast movements, Character Swap handles it better. So in summary, if you want your exact character and background preserved, use Photo Animate with simple motions. If you want the exact motion transferred and don't mind the background from the reference video, use Character Swap. Both are completely free. To download, simply click the download icon. Now, if you're serious about creating professional quality AI dance content and you want something that goes beyond what free tools can offer, let me show you Kling. Kling is one of the most powerful motion control tools available right now. In fact, their latest model, Kling 3.0 Motion Control, was just fully rolled out on the 4th of March 2026 and delivers professional mocap level motion accuracy with up to 1080p output and videos up to 15 seconds long. Go to Kling AI, sign up or sign in using your Google account or email. New signups get more free credits than returning users, so if you have not signed up yet, now is a good time. Once you're in, select the motion control option, upload your reference video, the video with the dancing motion you want to copy, then upload your character image. Before you hit generate, make sure you tick character orientation matches under the video reference. According to Kling, when character orientation matches the video, complex motion performs much better, and that is why I chose this particular dance for my demo. Hit generate. It costs 45 credits. And here we go. The quality is stunning. Motion is perfect. Character is maintained. Everything is smooth and clean. I muted the sound to avoid any copyright claims. On the free tier, you can generate up to 5 seconds per video. If you need longer, you can upgrade. Now, let me show you how to generate AI baby images like these, even if you have no prompt, using a reference image you love. For this demo, I am using this AI-generated character image as my reference, and honestly, she's one of my favorites. You can find yours on Pinterest, TikTok, online, or even offline. Simply copy the image, go to ChatGPT and paste it or upload it directly. Then enter this prompt and hit generate. Transform this image into a hyper-realistic, ultra-cute 3D baby character. Keep the same overall outfit design and the same curly puff hairstyle, but change the colors to a new stylish color palette. Give her a completely different face with adorable baby features, big expressive eyes, soft cheeks, sweet smile. Place her inside a modern, luxury living room with soft natural lighting. She should be standing, full body visible, facing the camera confidently. Make it look like a high-quality Pixar-style 3D render. Very detailed, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, ultra-sharp, viral baby dance vibe. You can edit the prompt to match your own style. What makes AI images come out sharp and high quality are the render qualities in your prompt. Words like very detailed, cinematic lighting, ultra sharp, and high quality. Without these, your image might look flat and dull. Here is the result. Beautiful and sharp. If you don't love the first generation, simply regenerate until you get your perfect character. Free tier users get 3 generations per day. And that's it. You now know how to create AI dance videos completely free using one video and how to level up with Kling when you are ready for professional quality. Remember, Mimic motion is not just for baby dance content. You can use it for any character and any movement. A folktale character, a fantasy queen, a cartoon figure. The only limit is your creativity. Give it a try and drop a comment below telling me which option you preferred, one video or Kling. I would love to know which one worked best for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It truly means everything to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye for now.